Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and I've been telling you guys and telling you, environmental will be a factor, environmental friendly, environmental sustainability will be a factor. And what does our friend Elon go today? He goes and explodes the crypto market by saying that Tesla and Bitcoin will not be accepting any more Bitcoin because it just doesn't make sense from the company values because of environmental reasons. So this isn't one of those videos. I'm not getting into that topic, but I will get into the topic about what the solution is and why any crypto company project out there that isn't environmentally sustainable is in trouble. Not just now, but long term when the regulations kick in, because the regulations will have an environmental aspect to it. And if you don't comply, you're going to be wrecked as a project. So it's very, very important. So let's take a look at Ripple's, versus Bitcoin consumption. So we got Ripple could power 79,000 light bulb hours in its consumption wise, and Bitcoin, however, it would be, 4,510,000,000 home light bulbs that it would do in an hour. Just to give you an example, so how energy efficient is Ripple is 57 times more energy efficient. Then if we look at a power consumption, we got from a power consumption, the Vatican City would be powered by, the power that is consumed by Ripple, compared to the entire population of Austria, as far as energy consumption to Bitcoin. So my question to you in the comments is, and we're going to kick off, comments very early on, is energy efficiency going to be a factor in crypto in 2021 and beyond? Is that literally going to be the thing that swings in favor of some cryptocurrencies compared to others? I want to know in the comments what you think about that particular topic, because I've been talking about it and finally we've had price action occur because of it. So of course, like charts like this that came out a couple of days, that would have been relevant to, until that tweet came out, and are no longer relevant about what's going on. We did go into the 120s, and we touched the 122 or 123 because of the news that came out, and we're already starting to bounce back. Again, another example of a chart that was created to give a good example of the difference between XRP from a technical perspective and from a general perspective. I like this quite a lot. So this was tweeted by KC Kingdom. KC Kingdom 5 is his tweet URL. Check it out. It's pretty cool about the comparison between the two and what it actually means. So who are the most efficient kilowatt hours consumption wise cryptocurrencies? Well, you got XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. They are the most energy efficient, with XRP leading the way by a country mile, even compared to Dogecoin. So these are the options. And the question is, does Tesla even need to go out there and use a cryptocurrency to accept payment? They will, I believe so. Which one would they go with will be very, very interesting. I mean, obviously Dogecoin is the obvious because, he loves Dogecoin, but does that really represent the company in a positive way? I think XRP would be the obvious choice, but as we know, like, companies will do weird things, and let's see what happens over the course of time. And I'm not going to hinge XRP rising this year and having a bull run based on Tesla, using it. Like billions of transactions are done every single day by some of the biggest banks in the world using XRP. We don't need Tesla. Great if you come along, but thanks. So Google Pay could be coming on board as another liquidity network using the XRP ledger. And a reminder that Google Ventures is a seed investor in Ripple. So I really want you guys to know that they are a seed investor. So Google Ventures is a seed investor in Ripple. Bet you didn't know that, XRP haters. So let's move on and let's continue. Another Ripple partner, Airwallex, secures EMI license in the Netherlands. So literally every day now, these news pieces are coming out of, another Ripple partner, onboarding, getting bigger and utilizing the Ripple network to their advantage. So really, really great to see that. And that always gets very, very exciting. Something exciting that I actually, guys, want to show you before I show you this one. Allow me to introduce to you Atani. So Atani is actually, never really mentioned it to you guys, but Atani is pretty awesome. So it's a platform that allows you to have multiple exchanges on it, all under the one umbrella. And I use this, and since I found it, it's been pretty awesome to use it, because I don't know about you guys, but when you have to log on in and out of different exchanges all the time, it gets pretty frustrating. And of course, some exchanges have some of your coins, other exchanges have others. So the fact that I can have all of them under here and and chart it up, it is fantastic. Now, this is a demo account. In the future, I will be showing to you the proper account, but for now, I'm actually just showing you the demo account here. And some of the cool things that you can do, obviously, you can put your indicators on, and you can put all your your smart indicators, anything that you've ever seen out there. From a charting point of view, you can do obviously your hourly, your 4 hourly. You can obviously see like what we touched. We touched 120. We actually touched 119 at some stage. So actually, it was a low of 120 flat and a high of 152 today. Over here, you can actually set up all the other ones. So if you needed to look at any other coin, you can go there and just check out everything that's available on Binance. You can keep your portfolio here, and you can check out how much you've got and how it's currently trending and progressing. You can do your buy and sell orders, of course, utilizing that particular exchange. And I will be going over more and more about why I use it and why I think it's clever. And the cool thing is you can give yourself alerts, and you can get them as emails, as SMSs, or even as a call. So you just get a call saying, hey, your alert has come out. So very, very cool. And this is what I use to get to you guys the research that I do, so that by the time I come back and actually give you those charts and all that, it's been very well researched. And something else that I really love about it is that it gives me real time buying and selling of what is going on at the moment, and the volume, not just the little hinders, actual every single transaction, which is super, super cool, and a huge benefit. And I will be going over more about it and how it works, and what are the main features of it, and then show you guys how I actually use it. But for today, I just wanted to show you this because I haven't been using it for too long, but since I've started using this, it's really taken things to another level. So when you guys are saying, oh wow, you actually predicted 130 and it was 134, how did you do that? I use this tool, which is really, really been a real blessing from a time saving point of view. And also there are some really clever features around timing the market really, really well. So I will share more on that in the coming weeks. But getting back to the charts, so basically from a chart point of view, let's have a look at some of the drawings. I mean, when in doubt, just zoom out. I mean, I've mentioned this again and again. We are on track. There is, from an energy consumption point of view, from a partnerships point of view, from a liquidity point of view, it is going to happen. Over the next couple of years, you will see XRP into triple digits, not double digits. And so be mindful of that, and don't sell too early. Again, not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but I do want you to be mindful of that. So in the short term, where can we go? What is happening? And I think, short term, I think what is happening now with this gigantic cup and handle, I think, that a breakout of $17 to $18 is certainly not out of the question. And again, I want to mention that, but I don't want to, emphasize so much on it right now. But I do want to mention it that, let's get to 5. Then let's break 10, and then let's go to 17 and 18. But based on this cup and handle, with $17 to $18 is certainly not out of the question. Again, we dipped as low as 120, and then when we went as low as 120, now we're starting to rise back. But this chart is not relevant anymore based on what happened. But here's what I see happening over the next 24 hours, you know, like, and over time, like, you know, this is what I think is going to happen. And we've already hit 120. I think we're going to maybe perhaps touch 120 again a couple of times over the next 12, 24 hours. And then we're going to kick off the party and really kick off in a big way and head to $2.80 and beyond. So for me, that's what I think is happening. $3.30 by the end of the month. For me, what happened today with that tweet, nothing changes. For me, $3.30 by the end of the month. And then from there, let's see where we go and where we kick off. So again, thank you all so very much for all the passion and love that you show to the channel. And I cannot wait to see you on the next one.